Would you like to learn how, in less than 10 short minutes, how I managed to help my clients, all of my clients, to grow their lists of prospects, guaranteed, and opened the door to potentially 65% more prospects, guaranteed, using 10 simple ideas? Plus, if you hang around for a few mercifully short minutes, I'm going to show you an incredible offer, only available for the next 72 hours, where I'm going to help you together with my team to get started or to get better at building your lead lists for free by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. My name is Paul PG McKeown, and this is my message. I help executive business coaches to build your first 2 magic funnels, sales funnel, a sales pipeline, to convert high-ticket clients by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way through my iCanDOur 8-step digital marketing roadmap, so that you can get to 6 online clients per month from 90 days from the launch date, guaranteed, or I'll buy them back from you. This is a simple funnel on the left-hand side of this picture. And on the right-hand side, there's a slightly more complicated diagram, but it's still in essence the same thing. It's taking these videos, which we put up to YouTube, which we put up to Facebook. And if you haven't heard of YouTube or Facebook or a sales pipeline or something that we call email marketing, believe you me that this course is not right for you, okay? So if you have heard of these things, please stay tuned for this important information, because what we do is we simply convert these people via a landing page, which contains an opt-in form. The opt-in form simply has an email and a first name, email address, first name. And then from there, we take them through a process which we call a VSL, a video sales letter, where each day in their email inboxes, we send them 1 trust video, really short email with a lovely little short video, just like the one that I'm showing you now on your screen. After that, perhaps 30 days, perhaps 60 days, perhaps 90 days from now, those people will, if they are constantly receiving value from you, valuable based information, you're not trying to sell them, you're just genuinely trying to help them by actually helping them, they will eventually turn around and book a call with you, as long as you name your call. I call it a business upgrade call. So they book a business upgrade call with you, they receive the call instructions, and then perhaps, just perhaps, they will become a client. They will become a client. So this is the 8-step process that I call, yes, iCanDOur, digital marketing practice. So please stay tuned to the end of this mercifully short video. And without further ado, let's get started. Hi, coaches. Would you like me to help you so that the end result could be that you get paid what you are actually worth, what you are truly worth? And by doing so, what we can do is we can help you to show up like nobody else on this planet. And then how do we do this? We do this via our iCanDOur, our 8-step product journey ladder, our roadmap, if you want, or a blueprint for success. Because full disclosure, we are not coaches, but what we are is we are digital marketing practitioners. We are constantly practicing, constantly learning, constantly improving on what is already working out there and what is working really well at this moment in time, the trends, etc. But there's one thing that I want to talk to you about now today. And this is a problem. This is a problem there, that even if people do not know about you, then they can't even begin to like you. They can't even begin to trust you. And remember, these are the 3 social pillars: know, like, and trust. Know, like, and trust. And without these 3 social media pillars, you will not even begin to make a penny, a cent, a euro cent, a dollar cent. It doesn't really matter. You will not make anything unless they are aware of you. And what you have to do is you have to show up head and shoulders, knees and toes, head and shoulders above your competition. And you've got to show up like nobody else on this planet. You've got to do something that makes people aware that you exist and that your message matters. And this is what I want to do. I want to go through this in today's lesson. And the way that I do this is I do this by telling you a story. Telling you a story because stories matter. And by stories, you see, everybody will remember a story, but very few people out there will remember a boring lesson about marketing. But if you tell them a story, then they will engage with the story. They will think about this story, and they will think how it relates to them. And they're always tuned into this radio station. Remember, there's WIFM. So this what's in it for me. Yeah, what's in it for me, radio station. And this is true. So you see, by becoming aware of your existence, then people can start to follow you. They can start to follow you, and they can start to follow your story. And this is the point of this lesson. So join us for the lesson and for the story, because it's a really engaging story. And how to do this is click, you see just below the red subscribe button underneath this video. The subscribe button, of course, you've already clicked on it, haven't you? Thank you. And click the little like button as well, and click the bell notification if you would like to be informed whenever we drop another of these videos onto YouTube. And if you will note down below this, there is a comment section, and at the top of the comment section, there is a link which will contain the link for these longer form videos. Okay, and then you can come over and join us. And also, if you do have any questions, or if you do have any comments, anything that you would like to see in some of these future videos, perhaps a digital marketing challenge that you're having at the moment, perhaps you've got a fear or a limiting belief that is holding you back. And if that is the case, then please reach out. We do answer every single valid comment that we receive. So please reach out to us, and we are only too happy to help. If it is a valid, if it is a genuine comment, don't reach out, for example, oh, I've got a link, please click on this. But if you've got a valid comment or a valid question, please reach out and post it into the comment section below. We'd love to help you. And please join us for the longer form lesson, where we're going to be talking today about awareness and making these people aware that you exist. Okay, and as you've just heard, I have to go for my dinner. So anyway, thank you all very, very much. And it's me, PG Mac, saying peace out together with her. Hello, everybody. And thank you once again for watching today's video. We hope you got a lot of value from it. Now, remember, we are social, and here are our contact details at the moment appearing on your screen. Now, remember, these are the 3 types of things that we do dramatically different in this wonderful world of digital marketing. We focus on 3 things: the power of video by leveraging the unique power of video in a dramatically different way. Number 2, we help you to build your list, even if you've got a very small list. And we also help you to retarget the people that are already on your list. Now, the 3rd thing that we help people to do is we help them to build a sales pipeline, something that we call a magic sales 11x funnel. And remember, everything is fully guaranteed by our 60-day super duper titanium plated money back, one conditional guarantee. Don't forget about the one condition. You have to do the work. And also, here's the link for, as we promised at the beginning of the video, for our free 60-day video training series challenge. This is vts.icandour.net. And if you would like to book a free one-on-one strategy call, a business upgrade call with myself, PG Mac, here are the details. It's calendar.icandour.net. If you click on that link, then it will take you straight over to my calendar. And if you're lucky enough, there may be 1 or 2 slots still available to talk with me. Okay, those are the contact details once again. So we look forward to hearing from you. And please remember, reach out with any questions or comments that you may have. And remember to like us and subscribe, hit the little bell notification icon below. And we look forward to seeing you very much in tomorrow's video. Thank you once again. And this is me, PG Mac, saying peace out. See you tomorrow. Bye for now.